In Parnassos mountain, between the high peaks of Yakura and Kalogiros, spring the impressive waterfalls of Tripi. To get there, we have to hike in Kahala Gorge. We start our trip from the scenic village of Tythorea that lies in the very entrance of the gorge. On the verge of the village, just before the beginning of the trail, there is a balcony that offers great view. From here we have great view of the waterfall of Tythorea, just at the opposite wall of the gorge. So our hike begins as we get in the Kahala Gorge. It is an 8-kilometer hike to the waterfalls, with an elevation gain of 600 meters. Considered to be the best hike in Parnassos, not only for the beauty of the route, but also for the ever-changing terrain and the challenging sections ahead. We reached Dipotama, a wonderful spot where two rivers join together. We continue towards the left side river. Now follows a tricky part, a steep ascent in a muddy, slippery and difficult terrain. And after that is where the fun begins. We have to climb this boulder with the help of a rope. And then there is a ladder, 10 meters high and almost 90 degrees. It brings memories of Aradena Gorge. Then is another sketchy section, a very narrow passage next to a cliff. There is a Via Ferrata here. The floor is mushy and sometimes wet and slippery. Need to be careful. We are real close now. We arrive at the first and smaller waterfall. Now finally descend with a rope to reach the big waterfall. The height of the waterfall is 82 meters and has flow all around the year. It is truly an impressive sight. To be in this location is a magnificent experience.